Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over the question, how do you see your referral stats on Skillshare? Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've started referring people to Skillshare. How do you actually go ahead and see your referral stats? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go onto your profile icon on the upper right-hand corner. Next, click on Creator Hub. Next, on the left-hand side, you're going to see this option here that says Referral Stats. Go ahead and click on Referral Stats. Now, once you've done so, you can actually scroll down and you'll be able to see your earnings history from your referral stats. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your referral stats on Skillshare. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.